Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix a Quooker tab that is flashing.
Fix 1. Check water supply. Step 1. Make sure the main water supply to the cooker tank is turned on. Step 2. Ensure there are no closed valves or kinks in the pipe. Step 3. Turn the tap on and see if the flashing stops. Fix 2. Reset the cooker tap. Step 1. Turn off the cooker tap and unplug the tank from the power supply. Step 2. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Step 3. Plug it back in and turn on the tap to reset the system. Fix 3. Check temperature settings. Step 1. Access the Quooker app or control panel. Step 2. Ensure the tank is set to the correct temperature, typically 110 to 120 degrees Celsius for boiling. Step 3. Adjust if needed and monitor if the flashing stops. Fix 4. Check for tank error. Step 1. Look at the flashing pattern, e.g., slow or fast flash. Step 2. Refer to the Quooker manual for specific error codes. Step 3. If the error persists, contact Quooker support.